I was a vegan, and after almost 3 years, me and my doctor found out that that was not the best diet in my life because aside from I was eating a lot of processed food, fake meat, I was deficient with iron and vitamin B12. Considering I was supplementing myself, but I know that because I've been running and doing a lot of exercise, there was something missing in my body. And my doctor advised me to go vegetarian, but still like I'm not really in my highest peak of my performance. And after research and studying functional nutrition, I can really tell that according to science that Mediterranean diet is the best diet in the world, which is really best diet with 6 consecutive years. And if you get a look at the pyramid of Mediterranean diet, the bottom part is physical activities.